Hi, this is Mrs. Kelly again, and I'm going to go over something new with our numbers called subtraction. We haven't done subtraction yet. Some of you may be able to do it at home, and some of you may have already worked on some of the subtraction papers that we put in your packet. You can also make these at home, and that's the great thing about being able to do this at home with your mom or dad, or maybe older brothers and sisters could write some of these equations out for you. Subtraction's a little different, so I'm going to show you my paper here, and we are going to look at this closely because remember when we had addition, it didn't look like this. There's something missing in this little mark. It's not a T or a cross, it's just a line straight across. And that's called a minus sign. That means to take away or subtract. That's different. So when we draw our cookies, we don't draw 2 cookies here and 1 cookie here because we're not adding them together. This is a minus sign, and this is saying to subtract or take away. So I'll show you this short one first, and we'll talk about that a little bit more. I do have to draw the first cookies here. So I'm going to draw 2 cookies. But it's telling me to minus or subtract. So I don't want more cookies over here. I want to take away from these cookies. So this says 2 minus or take away 1 cookie. So if I had 2 cookies and I ate one, I'm going to cross that cookie off because it's in my tummy now. I ate it. How many do I have left over? I have 1 cookie left. So 2 cookies minus 1 equals 1 because there's only 1 cookie left. So that's the biggest difference with subtraction, is that I want to make sure I look at what sign this is, and these are all subtraction signs. But if you get good practice on this and you have your mom or dad write up a sheet like this and maybe put 1 as subtraction and 1 as addition and mix them up, then you'll really have to pay attention to what that sign between our 2 numbers shows. So if you remember again, this is the equal sign, and that tells us that these 2 numbers, whether it's adding or subtracting, would equal another number. So we're doing subtraction. Let's try it again. Here's 5, beehive 5. I definitely have to write out those 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's telling me to minus or take away 3 of those cookies. So should I put 3 cookies down here? No, because that's addition, and we're not doing addition. We're doing subtraction or minusing it. So if I have 5 cookies and I have to minus or take away 3, I better eat those. Cross them off. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 cookies crossed off. So now I look back. How many do I have left? 1, 2. And that's my answer. So I put the number 2 here. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 5 cookies minus 3 cookies equals 2 right here. Let's go a little bit more and try this one. Here's Snowman 8 again. I'm only going to do this number first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 cookies. Is this telling me to add cookies or to subtract or take away cookies? If you said subtract or take away, you're right. So I don't want to draw 4 more cookies here because it's not adding more, it's taking away. So let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 leaves how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 cookies left. And that's my answer. So 8 minus 4 equals 4. Let's try 7 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7 cookies. Minus 4. I'm supposed to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many cookies do I have left? 1, 2, 3. That's my answer because that's what's left. There's loopy 3. 7 cookies minus 4 equals 3. Let's do another page here. I've got some bigger numbers. Okay, here I've got big 10. Oh, I got better write out big 10 cookies. Ready? Count with me. Or maybe you'll be writing these out as you're working along with me too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Always be a careful counter because we don't want to get too many. I have 10 cookies here. It's not wanting me to add 5 more. It's wanting me to subtract or minus. 10 minus 5 cookies equals what? How many cookies left? Let's see. We've got to take off that 5 off this 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took off 5 cookies. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Let's try this one. This is asking me 6 minus 1 equals what? I could say that differently and ask you, what's 1 less than 6? Because that's what it's asking too. And some of you can do that in your head. What's 1 less than 6? So you might already know the answer, but let's try writing our cookies again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's wanting me to eat one of those cookies or take away one of those cookies. So I'm going to cross that one off. What do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you at the beginning said that 1 less than 6 was 5, you were right. Okay, here we go. Let's try this one now. This is asking, this is standing up 9. Remember, he's standing on that leg there. 9 minus or take away 2 equals what? Let's draw those cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 cookies. I'm going to take away or minus 2 cookies. 1, 2. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 9 minus 2 cookies equals 7. Saluting 7. Now here's a big one. Here's a teen number. What teen number is this? When it has a 1 in the front, we look at that and the number with it is a 2, but we don't call it 2 teen. We call this one 12. So I am going to be busy writing out. Help me count here. Everybody count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 delicious cookies right there. I'm really hungry. I really shouldn't eat 6, so maybe I'll share them with my family. So we have 12, or remember, that's called a dozen. I have 12 or a dozen cookies at home, and my family and I eat 6 of them after dinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 12, but we ate 6. What do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. To make that sitting down 6, you go down and curve around, and there he's sitting down 6. So that's subtraction, and you can work on that at home. Another fun way, if your mom will let you, is to get maybe something like Cheerios, or you could do M&Ms or something like that and do these subtraction problems, because then you can eat the ones that you're supposed to take away. So if you have 6 M&Ms and you eat 4, 2, 3, 4, how many M&Ms would I have left? I would have 2. So you can do fun things like that too while you're at home and can't be at school with us. We used to count with little bears. We had other little toys that we could do it with. But I think those kind of things are fun to eat too, to help with subtraction. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson and keep working hard. Bye.